Before you continue watching this video, ask yourself this question. What if everything you believe you know about your life is an illusion? Imagine waking up tomorrow to discover you're a millionaire, or that you never even existed. Impossible? Think again. In the next 10 minutes, your reality will change forever. Today, I'm here to reveal a secret that 99.9% of the population is unaware of, the hidden signs that you might be living in a parallel universe right now. This isn't just another video. It's an exclusive invitation to a select group of divinely chosen souls. If you're watching this, it's no coincidence. Your consciousness has guided you here for a reason. Get ready to discover how your déjà vu might be a message from your alternate self, the secret technique to contact millionaire versions of yourself, and the ultimate sign that you've crossed into a parallel reality without even knowing it. Warning! The information you're about to receive is so powerful that it could alter the very fabric of your existence. If you're not ready to question everything you believe about reality, close this video now. Still here? Perfect. That means you're ready for the truth, a truth that will change your life forever. Remember, a parallel universe isn't science fiction. It's a hypothetical universe that coexists with yours, often radically different, and you could be living in one right now without knowing it. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the secret signs that governments and elites don't want you to know. Signs that could be the key to unlocking unlimited potential in your life. Don't blink, don't get distracted, because what you're about to discover could be the most important revelation of your existence. The parallel universe theory. Welcome to the edge of reality. If you've made it this far, you've proven that your mind is ready to expand beyond the limits of the known. Prepare yourself, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of the parallel universe theory. A theory that not only challenges everything you thought you knew about reality, but could be the key to unlocking your true cosmic potential. Explanation of the parallel universe theory. Imagine for a moment that every decision you make, every path you choose, not only affects your current reality, but creates an entirely new universe. A universe where you made the other choice, where you turned left instead of right. The parallel universe theory suggests that there are infinite versions of you, living radically different lives in realities that coexist with yours. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, prepare for your mind to be blown. The brightest scientists of our time are starting to consider this possibility as a mathematical reality. Is a parallel universe possible? Now you might be wondering, is this really possible? Isn't this just a fantasy for sci-fi writers? Let me ask you this in return. Have you ever had a déjà vu so intense that you felt like you were living the same moment in two different realities? Quantum physics, that branch of science that feels more like magic than reality, tells us that at a subatomic level, particles can exist in multiple states at the same time. If this is true for the smallest things, why not for the entire universe? Visionary scientists like Stephen Hawking and Michio Kaku have proposed that parallel universes are not only possible, but probable. And if they, with their brilliant minds, consider it, who are we to dismiss it? Introduction to the concept of the multiverse. Do we live in a multiverse? But wait, it gets even more fascinating. What if I told you that our universe, with its billions of galaxies and trillions of planets, could be just a bubble in an infinite ocean of universes? Welcome to the concept of the multiverse, a concept so vast, so mind-boggling, that it makes our galaxy seem like a grain of sand on an infinite beach. Imagine a cosmic tree where each leaf is a complete universe. Our universe would be just one of those leaves, vibrating in harmony with an infinite number of other realities. Does that sound far-fetched? Maybe, but remember, Just a few centuries ago, the idea that Earth wasn't the center of the universe was considered madness. Today, we might be on the verge of an equally revolutionary discovery. The question is no longer whether we live in a multiverse, but when we'll have the technology and wisdom to prove it. And more importantly, how we can use this knowledge to transform our lives here and now. In the next chapter, we'll uncover the hidden signs that could indicate you've crossed the barrier between universes without even realizing it. Get ready, because your perception of reality is about to change forever. Signs that you've shifted to a parallel reality. How to know if you're in a parallel universe. Attention. What you're about to hear might alter your perception of reality forever. If you feel a chill down your spine, don't be alarmed. It's just your consciousness expanding beyond the limits of this universe. In this chapter, I will reveal the secret signs that could indicate you've jumped to a parallel reality without even realizing it. Signs you've been ignoring your whole life, thinking they were simple coincidences or memory errors. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about your existence. List of subtle, everyday signs. Listen closely, because these signs might be happening in your life right now. Objects mysteriously changing location. Vivid memories of events that never happened. Sudden changes in the personalities of your loved ones. Skills or knowledge that appear out of nowhere. Scars or body marks you don't remember having. Do any of these signs sound familiar? If so, you may be closer to the truth than you think. How to identify changes in your surroundings. Now, pay very close attention. Changes in your reality can be as subtle as a whisper in the middle of a storm. But with the techniques I'm about to reveal, you'll be able to tune into the frequencies of the multiverse. Observe your surroundings as if for the first time. Do you notice anything different in the arrangement of your room? Do the colors seem slightly off? Are the people around you acting unusually? These small details, which most people ignore, could be the cracks in the facade of your reality. Cracks that once you see them, you won't be able to unsee. I challenge you after this video to observe your world with fresh eyes. You might be surprised at how much has changed without you noticing. Déjà vu experience as possible evidence. And now we arrive at the most intriguing sign of all, déjà vu, that eerie feeling of having lived an exact moment before. Conventional science will tell you it's just a simple glitch in your brain. But what if I told you it's much more? What if every déjà vu was actually a message from your alternate self, desperately trying to communicate with you? Think about it. Every time you experience déjà vu, you might be momentarily perceiving the life of your alternate self, a self that made different choices, living a life you could have had. The next time you feel that chill of familiarity, don't ignore it. It could be the key to unlocking the secrets of the multiverse that lie dormant in your subconscious. In the next chapter, we'll delve deeper into the profound meaning of being in a parallel universe. We'll explore how this knowledge can radically transform your life, give you access to unlimited potentials, and perhaps, just perhaps, allow you to shape your own reality at will. Don't you dare miss what's coming next. Your destiny in the multiverse might depend on it. The meaning of being in a parallel universe. Welcome back, seeker of cosmic truth. If you've made it this far, it's because your soul is ready to take the next step on your interdimensional journey. Prepare yourself, because what you're about to discover could change the way you see your own existence forever. Parallel universe, meaning, what does it mean for your life? Imagine for a moment that every decision you've made, every path you've chosen, not only affected your current life, but created entire universes. Universes where you're a millionaire, where you never met your current partner, where you're a world leader or a hermit living in the mountains. The meaning of being in a parallel universe goes beyond mere scientific curiosity. It's an invitation to recognize your infinite power as a creator of realities. Every choice you make, every thought you have, could be resonating across the multiverse, creating waves of possibilities that extend into infinity. Can you feel the weight of that power, the divine responsibility it carries? Being in a parallel universe means you're more than you ever thought you were. It means your potentials are limitless, that your destiny isn't written in stone, but in the stars of infinite realities. How does it affect your purpose and destiny? Now let me ask you a question that might shake the foundations of your reality. What if your true purpose wasn't just to live one life, but to experience all possible lives? In the vast tapestry of the multiverse, your soul could be weaving a design far larger than you ever imagined. Each version of you, in every universe, could be contributing to a cosmic symphony of experiences and learnings. Your destiny, far from being a straight line, could be an infinite tree of possibilities, each branch a different life, each leaf a distinct version of yourself. And you, here and now, have the power to influence all of them. Do you feel the vertigo of that realization? It's the call of your higher self, inviting you to awaken to your true multiversal potential. The connection between your soul and alternate realities. Prepare for the most profound revelation of all. Your soul, that divine spark that you are at your core, could be the thread that connects all your alternate realities. Imagine your soul as a multifaceted diamond, each face reflecting a different reality. Every déjà vu experience, every vivid dream, every inexplicable intuition could be a glimpse of those other facets of your being. Your soul is not limited by time or space. It is a quantum entity, existing simultaneously in all possible universes. And you, in this very moment, have the ability to tune in to that infinite web of possibilities. Have you ever felt an inexplicable connection to a place you've never visited, or an instant affinity with a stranger? These could be echoes of your parallel lives, whispers from your multidimensional soul. By recognizing this connection, by opening yourself to the vastness of your multiversal being, you are taking the first step toward a truly limitless existence. You are awakening to your divine nature as a creator of realities. In the next chapter, we'll explore concrete examples of parallel universes and how you can begin to perceive and navigate between these alternate realities. Prepare for a journey that will challenge everything you thought you knew about yourself and the cosmos. Don't you dare miss it. Your multiversal destiny awaits. Examples of parallel universes. You've reached the turning point. What you're about to discover will not only confirm your suspicions about the existence of alternative realities, but also show you just how close you've always been to experiencing them. Parallel universe examples in popular culture. The idea of parallel universes has fascinated humanity for decades, seeping into our popular culture in ways you might not have noticed. But what if I told you that these fictions are actually windows into other realities? Think of the series Stranger Things, where the Upside Down is a dark reflection of our world, or Rick and Morty, where characters jump between realities as if they were TV channels. These aren't mere products of imagination, but glimpses into the true nature of existence. The next time you watch a movie or read a book about parallel universes, ask yourself, am I really witnessing fiction, or is it a message from my alternate self trying to communicate with me? Case studies of people who claim to have experienced alternative realities. But let's not stay in the realm of fiction. There are real people just like you and me who claim to have experienced jumps between realities. People whose testimonies defy all conventional explanation. Consider the phenomenon of the Mandela effect, where thousands of people remember historical events that never happened in this timeline. How is it possible for so many to share the same false memories? What if they're not false at all, but memories from another reality? These cases aren't isolated anomalies. They are pieces of a cosmic puzzle we're only beginning to piece together, and you might be the key piece. Scientific theories supporting the possibility of parallel universes. Now, for those skeptics among you who need more than anecdotes, let me present the scientific backing that's shaking the foundations of modern physics. Hugh Everett's many worlds theory proposes that each quantum decision creates a split in reality, generating infinite parallel universes. This isn't science fiction. It's a respected interpretation of quantum mechanics. Physicist Michio Kaku has proposed the bubble multiverse theory, where our universe is just one bubble in an ocean of universes, each with its own set of physical laws. Do you realize what this means? Your reality could literally be brushing up against others at this very moment. Even Stephen Hawking, in his later works, explored the idea that the Big Bang could have created multiple universes. If such a brilliant mind considered this possibility, who are we to dismiss it? These theories are not mere speculations. They are the result of decades of research and complex mathematical calculations. Science is catching up to what mystics have known for millennia. Reality is far more vast and wondrous than our limited senses can perceive. In the next chapter, I'll reveal how you can begin to perceive and consciously navigate between these alternative realities. Get ready for a journey that will challenge the limits of your perception and open the door to infinite possibilities. Don't you dare miss it. Your alternate self will thank you. Interdimensional communication. You've arrived at the threshold of the impossible. What you're about to discover will not only challenge your understanding of reality, but also give you the power to transcend the limits of your own universe. How to contact yourself in a parallel universe. Imagine for a moment that you could have a conversation with a version of yourself who made different life choices. What would you say? What could you learn? Get ready, because you're about to discover how to turn that fantasy into reality. The first step to contacting your alternate self is tuning your mind to the frequencies of the multiverse. Here are some revolutionary techniques. Quantum synchronization meditation. Sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and vividly visualize an alternate version of yourself. Focus on the differences between you. Feel your consciousness expand beyond the boundaries of this universe. Interdimensional automatic writing. With a pen in hand, relax your mind and allow your hand to move freely across the paper. The words that appear could be messages from your alternate self. Multiversal lucid dreaming. Before bed, set the intention to meet your alternate self in your dreams. When you realize you're dreaming, look for a mirror. The reflection you see might be your portal to another reality. Remember, the key is to keep an open mind and stay alert to the subtlest signs. Interdimensional communication often starts as a whisper before turning into a clear dialogue. And if you haven't yet checked to see if you have the birthmark on your body that confirms you're one of the chosen, you can't miss the next video. You're just one click away from finding out if you are a chosen one. See you there.